Are we recording?
Hell yeah, we're recording.
Hey folks, how's everybody doing? I'm doing good. I'm just working on another chapter for you guys. Well, actually, it's this chapter, the one you're watching right now. This one here, I'm going to stick with sailing, and this is going to focus on sailing groups 3 and 4. Now, SG3 happened 2 weeks after the last chapter where I wrapped up that solo sail. So this was from July 19th. Now, quick note here. This one features Captain Molly and her aunt. Now, if you go back to chapter 24, I mentioned Captain Molly and her aunt. That was her mother. I'm so sorry, guys. Forgive me. Wonderful time out on the water. Then there was a pause before I made it back to new endeavors. Why? I was doing my whole trip around Lake Michigan, which you'd be able to see on chapters 8, 11, 14, and 16. I know this isn't going in chronological order, but I figured I'd kind of, mix up some of the psych, the health, the travel, the sailing. Sailing Group 4, SG4, happened on August 23rd. Now you're going to notice this isn't going to be a very long chapter. Why? I was too busy having fun and didn't do nearly the amount of videoing I should have. Some YouTuber I am. I'm a pirate anyway. Okay, let's go sailing. On this trip, we had Matt, who after this became known as King Neptune, Amy, rest in peace her hat, Aaron, Aunt Lynn, Captain Molly, and Megan. Go Birds! So a super cool story if you ask me. Turns out Matt and Megan went to school together. They haven't seen each other since high school. SG4 occurred on August 23rd and included Grace, Stephanie, even though her real name is Samantha, Carrie, Heather, Deborah, and the artist known as Seamus O'Shaughnessy. We were a little lucky to get this picture to happen, but that's a story for another day. And what's a sailing psych voyage without a few of Captain Doc's shenanigans? Thanks, Grace, for catching these.
Seems like a past few days.
Female
All I've
voice.
been doing. Female?
Yeah.
It seems like a past few days. All I've been doing is waiting for answers.
Well, there it was, folks. Sailing groups 3 and 4 from 2025. I sure hope you enjoyed this. I know just going through the pictures, the videos brought back a lot of wonderful memories for me. But don't forget, there were still 2 other group sails before the end of the season, Sailing Group 5 and Sailing Group 6. And let's not forget that on SG6 is where I made the biggest mistake I have ever made aboard a boat. But you may have heard me talk about it before. Now, either way, we'll get to that. Until then, fair winds, following seas, and don't forget to find your sailboat. Dock out.
Giddy up!
Somebody tap the coconuts.